What is going on, everybody? Today is Saturday, July 30th, 2022. And today I have got to figure out what I've got to do, what tools I've got to have to tighten pinion nuts up on these Jeep axles. Been thinking about it here most of the day, and my first problem is I think I switched from a Flexzilla hose, which is 3/8, to a Parker hose, and it's not 3/8, it's 1/4 inch, 5/16, something like that. So there was a problem. Not getting enough volume to my impact. Second problem, my impact's 16 years old. It's an Ingersoll Rand titanium that I bought back in 2006. So it may be time to not necessarily replace that gun, but maybe try and find something that's a little more powerful. Got on YouTube this morning and went to the torque test channel, and I think maybe for just the minimal use, I'm thinking about going with a Harbor Freight Earthquake XT is what I think is what they tested. I'm gonna double check that before I head up there. I think right now they must be getting ready to upgrade or change models, but they're on sale now for like $119. So I think that I'm gonna run up to Harbor Freight. And also, while I'm at Harbor Freight, I'm going to look and see if I can find some high flow 3/8 fittings. I'll probably have a dedicated hose and for that air gun, and it'll probably just be used for that if it will tighten it up. I've still got the one that I left loose here on the pinion nut that I left is still loose here on the rear of this Jeep. I'm going to try I'll use it on that. If it tightens it, then I'll probably, I'll just stick with that and do it like everybody else does it, and just have to get the feel for it. The third thing I'm probably going to try and do is, instead of going through these lines that I have up on the wall, I'm probably just going to do a dedicated outlet on my air compressor to minimize any restrictions or flow issues or anything like that. Just hook the hose right to the tank and bring it right out here to the Jeep and see if that helps give it a little more power. So I guess with that being said, I'm going to get ready to head up to Harbor Freight and probably pick up one of these guns, maybe another air hose. I'm going to double check my air hoses here and kind of see what the inside diameter of those hoses is, and maybe pick up another air hose. Probably could see it, being a Harbor Freight, it doesn't have to be super good quality. If I maybe get a 100-foot air hose, that way I got plenty to get out to wherever I might be doing something. So, with that being said, I guess I'll get ready to head up to Harbor Freight. I am back from Harbor Freight and picked up this bad boy. Hopefully it cures what ails me at the moment. And that ailment is not being able to tighten up that pinion nut. So, got some high flow Harbor Freight connectors. We'll see if they do. Well, they're definitely going to do something because that orifice is quite a bit bigger. I think I'm going to take this off and see if I can't get whatever baffle or foam they've got in there out. Plus it looks like there's some kind of screen up inside of there. Maybe that'll come out. 119 bucks. I'm not going to use it regularly. I'm just wanting to have enough power to do these, take these pinion nuts off and on when I need it. And that's really about it. Because like I said, my old Ingersoll Rand does everything I need it to do. And I might even get it some of these high flow connectors and go back to using the bigger air hose. I didn't realize that Parker was so small. So we'll get this thing fired up and see if it'll tighten that pinion nut up. Wish me luck. So I think the first thing I'm going to try and do is get this baffle and debris screen out. Because it's all about airflow. At least that makes sense to me. Wow. Dang. Get more leverage. Wow. Okay. One more thing. Okay, I'm not going to tell you what I did. No, seriously, I'm not going to tell you. Got a kick to it. Alrighty, here goes. It's working. All the slack is out now. I know it's probably not anywhere close, but still, I want to check it. This is a 33 millimeter socket. I'm just wondering what a 32 would feel like. I do not have one. Remember why I hated this hose. Nope. Oh, way too tight. I think I've got a impact that'll tighten the pinion nuts up, but I don't know. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. It sticks. It sticks. And I mean, I'm not even showing 10 pounds of rotating torque yet. And good grief, it takes 50 pounds just to get it started. Once it's rotating, yeah, something's not right. Grief. All right, well, it's Saturday night. It's 9 o'clock, and I'm done. This thing's caused me enough grief for 1 week. But the impact did what it was supposed to do, so we got that out of our hair, or what hair I have left. Wait a minute, I don't have any hair left. What should I have said there? I don't know.